It is my honor to present the proposal for new work on rosewater, known as GOLAB. This initiative aims to promote quality, enhance consumer safety, and ensure fair trade within global markets. I represent and I appreciate your attention at this important session. Iran has developed a national standard for rosewater entitled INSO 5752 as published in 2022 as a noun rosewater specification and test method, which cover all physical, chemical, and microbiological and testing methods for rosewater, but other countries do not have national standards. The Gulf Standardization Organization has published a regional standards entitled GSO 1022 as published in 2000, entitled Methods of Test for Essential Water, Rosewater or Flower Water, which covers the physical, chemical, and microbiological testing methods for rosewater. In the available sources, there is no reference to an official national standard for rosewater in countries such as Pakistan, India, or other major producers. However, this does not mean that a standard does not exist, only that no information could be found in accessible sources confirming the formal development of such standards. For introduction, rosewater or golab is a culturally and economically significant product derived from the Rosa damasse. It holds a unique place worldwide as a beverage. Today, I will outline the purpose of developing an international codex standards for golab, especially focusing on rosewater supplies as a beverage, ensuring its quality and safety worldwide. It should be emphasized that Codex Committee proposal targets rosewater, especially as a beverage product. Rosewater can be consumed either in its pure form or diluted with water according to consumer preference. While rosewater also have various culinary uses such as flavoring agent in foods and sweets. The scope of these standards focuses exclusively on its use as a beverage to ensure consumer safety, quality, and fair trade in this product category. For timeless, the global demand for rosewater is rapidly increasing, with the market value at approximately $477 million in 2022 and project to nearby double to $972 million by 2033. Key drivers include rising consumer preference for natural products and expanding application in food and beverages. However, challenges such as adulteration, inconsistent quality standards, and related consumer safety risks persist. Establishing a harmonized international standards is therefore both timely and essential to support transparent trend and safeguard consumer confidence. Iran dominates production with around 90% of the global supply, exceeding 1 million metric tons annually. Other significant producers include India, Turkey, Bulgaria, Spain, France, and China. Major importers are Vietnam, Russia, Kazakhstan, United States, UK, while European consumer markets such as France and UK, Germany remain strong. The Asia-Pacific region stands out as the fastest growing market with a compound annual growth rate near 9.8%. Unfortunately, there is currently a lack of comprehensive and precise international statistical data on the production, consumption, and trade of rosewater due to inconsistent reporting system. This highlights the need for better data collection mechanisms alongside standard development. The key objectives are to establish minimum quality requirements for GOLAB, define tolerances to assure product uniformity, harmonize labeling, and marking practices. Additionally, the standards will specify maximum allowable levels of contaminants and toxins to protect consumer health and prevent misleading practices. Implementing these codex standards will enhance consumer protection while reducing risk of adulteration and contamination. It will facilitate fair and transparent international trade, supporting regulatory authorities in consistent enforcement. Furthermore, it will assist developing countries in gaining market access and promote sustainable growth within the global industry. At present, there is no existing codex standard for GOLAB. This absence has resulted in divergent national and regional standards that create barriers to trade. While some countries, including Iran and nearest members, have established their own standards, as an international consensus is lacking, giving the group in import and export volumes. A unified codex standards has become increasingly necessary. This initiative aligns strongly with codex standards' strategic objectives, while advancing consumer health protection and food safety, promoting fair trade, and reducing technical trade barriers. It contributes directly to international trade facilitation and enhance the global application of codex standards, notable benefiting developing countries. We have outlined a clear structured timeline beginning with the approval of new work by CCXA and CAC in 2026. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to your support and collaboration in advancing this important new work. Iran is ready to develop these standards by establishing an electronic working group in English with the participation of the member countries of this committee, and request the support of the member countries for approval and developing of this new work. And Iran kindly requests the inclusion of the proposal for a new work item on codex in the agenda of this session. This proposal has previously been submitted to the Codex Committee for the Near East, and the delegation of Iran strongly supports its adoption at this time. We believe that adopting this item will significantly advance our common objectives for harmonization and food safety in the region and to ensure applicability in the countries of the region. Inclusion of this item in the agenda will facilitate its throughout review and timely adoption to support quality, trade facilitation, and regularity, consistency across the nearest region. Thank you very much.